Hi, I'm Tony LePron.
I'm Kristen Growler. So, what further preparations must we make? Maybe a cup of pineapple juice for safety.
They introduce the video. As we all remember, Jackass show Wild Boys, Chris Pontius had a traditional Russian cuisine called holodetz.
Это холодец. Do not waste food. Alright, maybe it's gross.
And he was American. Now we're gonna check the Australian. So how's he gonna react? Yeah, Chris? With Russian vodka.
How's she gonna see my face? I have to eat it like this?
Yeah. Аня, снимай как-нибудь так.
А я буду приближать и...
Ты вот
сюда встань.
Do I have to give real reaction or exaggerated reaction?
I don't know, real.
You don't know.
Yeah, you like it.
Maybe I can give 5 different reactions.
It's like...
Choose the best.
Oh, that's a lot. Fuck. You want a full or you want to like
Jesus.
half? Full or half? Like, let's.
Not yet.
Okay, wait, this one is yours? I like it a lot. Ah. Okay.
You keep 7 up?
Yeah.
I'll keep...
Yeah, okay. So, how? Give me the fork. Okay.
With this?
Yeah. Mustard. Okay. So you can like just do it like this. I'll do it like that. Here.
Looks fucking delicious.
Yeah, it is delicious. So just drink vodka and just get this.
Drink first?
Okay, cheers.
For good luck. No cock. Not for sure.
That's okay. Do you like it? No? Why? It's traditional Russian. Don't want this.
Do I have to eat it?
No. Okay, you can. Why don't you like it? Put it up.
Wow. Okay, there's the same reactions.
Alright, maybe it's gross.
I don't know.
That's that.